Stuck with your theme's own header and footer just because you're using Elementor for free? These sections are the first thing that visitors notice, but Elementor's only let you fully customize them if you upgrade to Pro. No wonder most people just give up and settle for default. But we're not going to do that. In this video, I'll show you 3 free plugins that lets you build beautiful custom headers and footer. No Elementor Pro needed. And by the end of the video, you'll know exactly which one's worth your time. So let's dive in. If you're short on time and just want to see which plugin worked best, just skip the video to 6 minutes. Now let's get back to it. So here's the design we are aiming for. Header, it's got a simple setup, logo, menu, search bar. It's sticky and changes color as you scroll. Next, the footer. It has a logo, description, social icons, newsletter forms, quick links, a contact us section, and this copyright. We have tested 3 plugins to see how close we can get to this layout without using Elementor Pro. Now, let's start with Ultimate Add-ons Header and Footer Builder plugin, a free plugin by Brainstorm Force, the team behind the Astra theme. Ultimate Add-ons give you 11 free widgets, and using those widgets, I was able to create and customize a basic header using their site logo, menu, and search bar widgets. But here's the problem. There's no sticky header, no color change on scroll in the free version. So you won't find the options here. Both are pro only, so this is what you've got. Now the footer, here's what worked. They have widgets for the logo, copyright, quick links, use the navigation menu and set it to a vertical layout. Simple enough. But then came the workarounds. Now for the titles and descriptions, there's no text or heading widget. I had to use the info card. It worked, but not ideal. No info list widget for contact us section, so use the info cards, but it made the page heavier because I had to use 3 separate info card widgets. No social icons, so had to use Elementor's default widget. And when it came to the newsletter form, there is no free widget for that here, and Elementor's free widget doesn't offer it either, so I had to skip that part. So yes, you can build a footer, but it takes some workaround and you will end up relying a lot on Elementor's core widget to fill the gaps. Now, if you're thinking how to set it up, it's actually super easy. From your WordPress dashboard, hover over Ultimate Add-ons, select Header and Footer Builder. Here you can see all the templates you have created. Click on Add New. Select the template type, pick header or footer, give it a name. Choose whether it displays like the entire site, certain pages only, or exclude specific ones. You can even show it based on user roles, like show the header only to logged in users and so. And for those using Elementor's Canvas template, which has no header or footer by default, there is a simple toggle to enable your custom template, and once you're done, just hit publish. So a quick verdict, it is great for basic headers and footers, but you will hit limitations unless you upgrade to their pro version or rely heavily on Elementor's own widget. Now let's check out the second plugin, Royal Elementor Add-ons. This one's popular with 50 plus free widgets, way more than Ultimate Add-ons. Using their free widgets, I was able to build a pretty decent header. They had all the widgets needed in their free version. Made this header sticky from the sticky option in the advanced tab, but the color change on scroll are only available in the pro version. So we've got a sticky header and all the other features except the color change on scroll. Now for the footer, some parts were smoother than Ultimate Add-ons, others not so much. I added the logo using the logo widget, used dual heading widget for titles and description. For quick links, I tried the navigation menu, but the vertical layout is pro only. So I used the feature list and manually linked titles. For the contact section, I reused the feature list. I used the form builder for the newsletter, but you are limited to just 3 fields in the free version. And here's where I hit limitations again. They offer social share buttons, but not social icons, so use Elementor's social icon widget. And for the copyright, it uses dynamic tags, but it's only in Pro. So I added a heading manually, which means you will need to update the header yourself every time. Not ideal. So overall, yes, there's more flexibility than Ultimate add-ons in some areas, but you still need Elementor workarounds to fill in the missing pieces. Setting this up is also easy, just a slightly different interface. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Royal Add-ons, select Theme Builder, and here you will see tabs for header, footer, archive, and so on. Any templates you create will appear in their respective tabs. Click on Add Template, give it a name. In the free version, you only has entire site display rule. Pro unlocks page targeting. Then you've got a toggle to enable-disable it on Elementor canvas pages, just like Ultimate add-ons. Royal Elementor add-ons give you a big widget library, still it lacks some basic essentials for header and footer. So you will be mixing in Elementor's widget and hitting Pro walls. Okay, so we have tested two of the most popular free plugins, and while they offer some useful features, they both required us to use some workarounds and still fell short of our demo original design. So this brings us to our third and final plugin, that is Expro Elementor add-ons. So let's check it out. Here's a little secret. The demo designs you saw earlier built entirely using the free version of Expro Elementor add-ons and its theme builder. That's right, no paid upgrade needed. Let's dive in and see how it works. So this is the header. Expro offers over 50 free widgets, so finding what we needed was simple. With it, I was able to create and customize our full demo header easily, and it gets better. To change the header's color on scroll, click on the main container, just head over to the Advanced tab, scroll down to the header sticky option by Expro. If your header is already sticky but you want to hide on this page, just click Hide Sticky. Yes, you can choose exactly where sticky header shows or disappears. Don't worry, I'll walk you through making it sticky in just a bit. Now for the color to change on scroll, set the color here and you are done. No extra code or paid features needed. If you want a complete step-by-step video on this, I have linked it in the description box below. Now for the footer was just as straightforward. I was able to build the entire layout using only Expro's free widgets. I use the Expro widgets for the logo, headings, info links, and social icons. The contact form widget was perfect for the newsletter subscription, and it did not have any field limitations like the last plugin. The only small workaround I had to do was with the copyright. The dynamic tags for the current year is a pro feature only, so I used the heading widget and typed in the year manually. So that's a small workaround we have to do. Now, just like the other plugins, the backend is simple to use, but with one major difference. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Expro Elementor add-ons and here select Theme Builder. Here you will see all your templates. To create a new one, click Add New Layout, give it a title, and select your template type. Once you have selected header, here you will get the sticky header option. Enable it, and with just one click, our header has become sticky. Next, set the display conditions. Set display rule for any page. You've got full control, no paywalls. You can also define user roles just like Ultimate add-ons. The only option missing here is the Elementor canvas. So, Expro Elementor add-on is the clear winner for building complex and professional header and footers for free. It gives you all the advanced features from sticky header that changes color on scroll to a full widget library without forcing you to upgrade. If you want to see how I recreated this header and footer, then check out the link in the description box below. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching.